Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on interpreting the electron configuration of a neutral atom. Alright, so these are the electron configurations. Electron configurations are very fun. This tells you exactly what element this is because this is the address of every electron in it. So all of the 1s is filled. So 1s includes hydrogen and helium electrons. All of the 2s are filled. Remember, a s only has one orbital in it, and an s orbital is full with 2. A p has 3 orbitals in it, so it's full at 6. A d would have 5 orbitals in it. It would be full at 10. And an f has 7 orbitals in it. It would be full at 14. So right now we've got 1s, so it has to be more than helium. We've got 2s2, which means it's lithium and beryllium. It has to be farther than beryllium. 2p6, which is boron to neon, so it has to be farther than neon. Now we're in 3s2, so I go to 3s is sodium and magnesium. So this is magnesium. Okay, so let me give you this and see if we can do this together. All right, the problem said 1s2. So there's 1s2, helium is done. 2s2 has to be farther than beryllium. 2p6, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 2p6. It has to be farther than neon. 3s2, we're at magnesium. 3s2 is magnesium. All right, magnesium, remember, is atomic number 12. So the first thing is what chemical symbol for the atom? It has to be magnesium. How many electrons does the atom have? Well, you can count them if you want to. Magnesium has 12. Do you count 12? 2, 4, 6 plus 6 is 12. So there's 12 electrons. And remember, since it's a neutral atom, you're going to have 12 protons. That's the atomic number of magnesium, and 12 electrons. They're both going to be the same. So this has to be 12. Then the last question says, how many 2p electrons do you have? Well, go to 2p, and how many are there? How many 2p electrons are in this atom? All of the 2p's are filled because this is magnesium is actually in the 3s's, so all the 2p's are filled. So that means there's 3 orbitals, 2 girls to a room. That's 6 orbitals or 6 electrons. So that means there are 6 electrons in the 2p. I hope this is making sense to you. Check with me if you're confused.